Creating website design with AI can streamline your design process and make it more efficient. Here's how to use AI tools to create a website design. Choose an AI website builder. Select an AI-powered website builder, such as Wix ADI or Bookmark. These platforms use AI to generate websites based on your inputs. Input your preferences. Provide basic information about your site, such as the type of business, color preferences, content, and design style. The AI will analyze this data and generate a unique layout that suits your needs. Customize AI-generated design. Once the AI has created a design, you can fine-tune the layout, fonts, and colors. Most AI builders allow you to drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons to further personalize the design. Add content and features. Use the AI's suggested content structure or input your own. You can add interactive features such as contact forms, e-commerce capabilities, or blogs. AI tools can automatically optimize the content for SEO. Preview and publish. Review your site on desktop and mobile views. When satisfied, click Publish to go live.